Crude oil WTI has seen a massive rise again. Yesterday we discussed that prices has achieved the 20 period moving average. At the same time, it is forming a bullish flag, so breakout above 91, 91.2, which is a major resistance, should bring major bullishness, and then 92.4, beyond that 93.5, and then 94 levels are going to be the resistance, and precisely crude has breached 94 levels yesterday. I hope you all. Now, what to expect today? Is it going to continue with the third bullish candle here outside the Bollinger Bands, or we can expect a pullback? Which position you should take trading crude oil today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Let's start first on the hourly. If you look at the hourly charts, the moving averages have crossed over here. Trading oil again traded with divergence and bullishness. Good sign here for the bulls. Also, one must note, see on the hourly chart, this is the consolidation here, and it makes 92.8, 93 as the next major support. Now remember, even if it breaks below this zone, there are going to be good grand supports at 92.4, which is the resistance earlier, is now going to be a major support. Also, if you look at the hourly chart, you can find after the consolidation, first bullish candle, now it is consolidate here again, and we may see a breakout here, and the next target is now going to remain closer to 95 levels. But let's have a further detail. Stochastic is looking down here, but MACD has seen a massive rise. It is traded with bullishness. It is now willing to converge, and yes, it is a good rise. It is after hitting the bottom, it has seen this extreme rise, and it has come to an overbought levels. RSI is also trading extremely overbought. Now let's have a look at the 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, the crossover here, the divergence on the moving averages, the prices are too much divergent from the moving average. Now, what could possibly be expected that oil might try to achieve the highs before looking forward to a major reversal. And when I say major reversal, it can try to come back again towards 93, 92.4 levels. There is a probability to it. But before that, there is also a probability that it can try to achieve the next milestone at 95. But see, stochastic right now is overbought. This calls for a possible retracement. At the same time, if you look at MACD, this is trading with divergence and bullishness. This is still looking upwards. Yes, it has achieved slightly higher levels. Yes, it has achieved near to overbought levels. But even if it tries to stabilize here, that suggests that oil is still staying bullish. The RSI has also come to extremely overbought levels. This was the previous rise when oil has hit 92.4, and this suggests that it's still there is a slight room. So hence, oil might try to achieve fresh highs before looking forward to a pullback. A pullback is probably, it can happen towards at least 93, 92 levels. 93 anyways is nearby, so 92 is also achievable here. Now let's have a look at 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, one important point to note here is now 93, 92.8 has become a major support. After consolidating, this is the first bullish candle. This candle is still under consolidation, and we can observe maybe a couple of candles staying here before it looks forward to another up move here. So what it may try to do, it may wait for the moving averages to climb on the upside. Now it can, when the moving averages climb towards 92 or 93 zone, then it will try to take another up move here, achieve 95, and then a pullback towards 92, 92.4, 93 levels can be seen. Look at stochastic. This is consistently staying overbought here on the 3 hour charts. MACD is also divergent and bullish. The candle size consistently increasing, and it is flattened, which suggests that the bullishness is also tried to diminish here. Though it is still bullish, but it is trying to trade with moderate bullishness. The RSI here is overbought as well. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4 hour charts. See the candles here. Yes, it is still staying bullish. Yes, it is staying outside Bollinger Bands. It can further expand the Bollinger Bands. It can stay towards 95. It can achieve 95 before looking forward to a pullback. Right now, it appears that we may see a little consolidation here at this zone before it tries to achieve for the next move. As we discussed on the 3 hour charts, we may see moving averages trying to climb up, and now the support zone is between 92 and 93. Now this is going to remain a very good support for oil on the downside, and then ultimately the previous resistance level at 91 will come into picture. Stochastic overbought. MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bullish. It does not see, this was the highs which it has achieved earlier, and it can scale up to these highs as well. However, look at the candle sizes. This is extremely bullish sign, so a little conversion from here cannot be denied. RSI is also staying overbought. Coming to the daily chart. Now, if you look at the daily chart, see, first of all, if you connect the dots here, this is almost to the top of the channel. This is almost to the bottom of the channel. So it appears it has achieved the highs of the channel and the lows of the channel in couple of days itself. Also, one must note that, see, after the rise here, it has seen this retracement, it has seen this bullish flag formation on the daily charts, and now it has given a breakout. Yesterday's candle was the first bullish candle after the breakout. Hence, also one must note that it is staying outside Bollinger Bands. It is closed outside Bollinger Bands, and now the Bollinger Bands have started to expand. Hence, there is a little room for it to continue on the upside from here, where one can expect a further rise towards 95.2 as the first target, and then 96.5 as the next one. But on the daily charts, though there is a scope for it, and on the minor time frames from the 1H to 4H, that is 1 hour to 4 hour, we can see a slight consolidation or retracement is possible for next few candles. So what will happen? It can consolidate for next few candles, and then a rise later in the day can be seen. Yes, it is still staying bullish. Also, one must note that even if it tries to rise for 95 or 96.5 levels, a pullback will be stronger, because see, once it tries to break on the upside, the pullback also gets stronger because it is trying to break past the resistance level, and which might also call for a pullback. Now remember, on the downside, you should note that 93, 92 is going to be a great resistance zone completely. Below that, 91, which was the stronger resistance, is now going to become the stronger support levels here. So for the day, I will recommend you to buy oil here at 94, but with an extremely caution note that 94.2, 94.5 and 95.2. Three major resistances, and the strongest resistance now exists at 95, 95.2, which is a very strong resistance, not only a psychological level but also from the indicators point of view. Now this will, even if it tries to rise, see, first of all, a consolidation throughout the day for next few candles exist, and then the breakout may again be seen, which may try to keep the prices elevated, and the first target should be at around 95 if it stays above 94, 94.2. And then, since this is the first breakout candle, it can continue to give the second breakout candle, which might in fact take the prices towards 96.4, 96.5 levels as well, which is the next major resistance level on the upside. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 93.4 levels, but with a caution note that 93, 92.8 is the major support, and this is the first support levels. The next support levels at 92.4 and then 92. So this complete zone has three support levels between 92 and 93, and then the major support levels on the downside, which was the previous resistances, is now going to be the support at 91. So a possible consolidation for next few candles before it looks forward to an up move again towards 95 can be seen, and 95, 96.5, if it tries to achieve today, the chances of a pullback will always remain stronger in oil here towards 92, 93. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. You can join my mentorship batch in order to learn the art of trading. My 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do like, share, subscribe and comment in order to get the live market updates. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel to get the live market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.